Hello everyone and welcome to this video in which I'm going to restore this Nokia N96 with the body shell that you selected in the question that I posted. So on the time I made this video, the gray margin body shell got 6 votes and the black one got 3 votes. So we're going with gray, with what the majority voted for. So no hard feelings, okay? Well, let's begin. Don't force this one to get out. Keep the button down. There we have it. Just take the earpiece out. Now this is empty. The display is the same like the N95 8GB version. It's sticked on the back. Be careful when you do this because you may rip the flex cable. This one just popped out. It turned its back on me. Still has some side clamps here. Open the slide to have extra cable and pop it out. Here we have the slide mechanism, which is good. I'm going to keep it. Also, I'm not going to unstick the flex cable because it's good. I'm just going to clean it. Now let's take out the main board. This is the main board. Toshiba. Here are the 2 speakers, you know, stereo. Nice. Oh, the dust in this canal here. Oh, I'll have to clean it. So let's take this other one out. Take it out with rubber. Oh my god. Oh, the flash just fell. That would have been next. The audio jack, which is different than the N95. Take the charging port out. And the microphone. Easy. There we have it. I'm going to take this. I don't know if I will have it in the new body shell, and just to be sure, what's next? Can this thing come apart? Yes, it should. It just came out. Have it. I'm snapping all of this. This can just be, you know, glued to the new body shell. And there we have the antenna. Well, yeah. I'll start cleaning them and be right back with the assembly. And here they are. Let's begin assembling them. Oh, this is solid, but not solid enough for me. Oh, something like that. I wanted to do that. The speakers back in there. Oh, I made a mistake. Let me take this speaker out and put the flash in its place first. Something like this. Now for the speaker. Okay, the bottom half is done. Time to start to the top half. Well, this is how it looks assembled. Let's start it up. You want it gray? Here you have it gray. Okay, it works. Works fine. Well, let's see this thing. No music to play. Yeah, well, this was the restoration video of the Nokia N96 with the side color that you chose. Well, most of you chose. I hope you enjoyed it, found it useful, and thank you very much for watching. If you enjoyed it, leave a like, subscribe to my channel, it helps me very much. And I wish you a very awesome day, just like yourselves, and all the best. Bye bye.
Let the rhythm move us, yeah baby, take it too far. You're at the center of my attention, yeah you got me so